Hey everyone, in this video we are going to explore how Amazon Web Services or AWS powers much of the internet we use every day. We break it down simply using real world examples you already know. So the internet runs on AWS. You might be surprised to learn that companies like Netflix, NASA, and even some government agencies rely on AWS to keep things running smoothly. So let's see how. So what is AWS? AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It's a cloud platform that gives businesses the tools they need, like servers, storage, and databases all over the internet without having to build their own infrastructure. So how does AWS help companies? Before AWS, companies had to buy expensive hardware and manage it themselves. Now with the AWS, they can rent exactly what they need instantly and from anywhere in the world. So why do companies love AWS? Companies choose AWS because it saves money, scales quickly, and allows them to launch global apps in minutes. Whether you're a startup or a large corporation, AWS goes with you. So let's see the real world examples. Um, let's start with Netflix. Every time you stream a movie or a show, AWS is working in the background, storing videos, delivering them to your device, and even powering the recommendation engine. Another one is NASA. NASA uses AWS to share satellite images and even data from Mars rovers. Instead of building massive infrastructure, they use AWS to distribute that data to scientists and the public around the world. Then there is Airbnb. Airbnb relies on AWS to handle bookings, customer data, and support tools. During busy seasons, when millions of people are booking stays, AWS helps the platform stay online and fast. Then there's the government. Even government websites trust AWS for secure and scalable hosting. It helps them deliver important services safely and reliably. Okay, so here are some of the key AWS services these companies use. We have the EC2, the virtual computers for running apps. Then we have S3, the file storage in the cloud. We have LDS, the databases to store user information, and the Lambda, which lets you run code without managing servers. Anyway, why does it matter to you? So let's see how AWS affects you. Um, if you use Netflix, Spotify, Twitch, or even Fortnite, you are interacting with AWS. It is the silent engine powering the digital world. Yes, why this matters. Whether you're launching a startup, learning tech skills, or just curious, AWS is a tool worth knowing. It powers the modern web and it's shaping the future. So yeah, see our final thoughts. So next time you stream a movie or book a trip, remember AWS is quietly doing the heavy lifting in the background. AWS is the invisible engine of the internet used by millions and powering billions. And that's what we had for you in this video. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tech made simple. And let us know in the comments, what app do you think runs on AWS? Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.